welcome to CL TV!
Ang araw, ako po si Lynette and kasama ko ang aking anak.
Hi!
Ngayon po,
Butter garlic chicken!
yes! Today, I will teach you how to cook buttered garlic chicken. So, are you ready to cook?
Yes.
Okay. Kata na po sa kitchen. Magluto po tayo. At ito ang mga ingredients na ating kakailanganin sa ating garlic buttered chicken. Butter, garlic, onion, banana ketchup, oyster sauce, ground black pepper, salt, chicken, and Sprite. Okay, before we proceed sa ating pagluluto, kailangan na marinate nyo ang chicken ng at least 1 hour para sip-sip yung flavor. Ima-marinate natin itong chicken sa banana ketchup, sa oyster sauce, sa ground black pepper, and sa salt. Okay, can you please put the black pepper here? Thank you for helping mommy. Thank you, little chef. And can you please put the salt in the chicken? Thank you for helping mommy. And ito po ang oyster sauce. Thank you. Okay.
Don't do that. Your hands might...
I have gloves. Make sure naghuhugas po kayo ng kamay bago ninyo po lamasin or himasin ang chicken or i-marinate ang chicken.
It's soft.
Okay, let's start to marinate, please.
I want...
Okay, let's marinate. Make sure na even po ang inyong pag.
It's so fun!
It's fun to cook?
Yes.
Yay! Thank you, little chef. Ayan, i-marinate po natin to ng 1 hour. See you after 1 hour.
I will use the...
Alright, let's cook. Unahin natin ang butter. Make sure na low flame para hindi masunog ang butter. And kahit hindi pa melted yung lahat ng butter, pwede na natin ilagay ang garlic. Ang garlic na ginamit ko is 3 whole na garlic kasi ang chicken ko is 2 kilos. Okay. Ito, ready na yung bawang. So, isunod natin ang onion. Haluin. And okay na ang ating bawang and sibuyas. Ilagay na natin yung ating na-marinate na chicken. Ang ginamit ko is chicken legs. Pwede kayong gumamit ng any part ng chicken, like wings or any na preference nyo. As I said, 2 kilos ang aking chicken, kaya medyo madami. And isasama ko rin itong sauce na natira. Haluin. And ilalagay na ang Sprite. Pakuluan ito ng 20 minutes or hanggang sa maubos ang liquid at ma-absorb ng chicken. Usually, pag ako nagluluto, within 20 minutes is na-absorb na yung liquid. Then, after like for example, 5 minutes, you need to check the chicken. I-mix nyo lang or haluin nyo and then takpan ulit. Ngayon, i-cover ko na at i-check ko siya pagkaraan. Look sa sauce. Sauce pa lang, ulam na. So, we are done. Tatawagin ko ang aking asawa para tikman ang aking buttered garlic chicken. Ready na po ang ating buttered garlic chicken. And tinawag na po ng anak ko ang kanyang daddy upang tikman ang aking niluto. You want to taste?
Yes.
You want more sauce?
I'm saying I want more chicken.
This is a chicken. I put a chicken. Oh.
And Daddy says he wants soup and chicken.
Sauce.
It's a sauce. It's a
Sauce
sauce.
and chicken.
Kuya says the your father.
Okay.
Let's taste the sauce first.
Daddy, can you help me cut this?
Okay.
I can help you. Can I? I'll cut your chicken. And
Daddy needs you to cut his chicken.
how's the taste?
Yummy.
Thank you, love. Kamusta, Nikoy? Ano?
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy? 2 points. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang ating pagluluto ng buttered garlic chicken. And I'm sure mapaparami po kayo ng kain. Ang sarap. Simpleng sangka pero sure na magugustuhan nyo po. So thank you for watching and see you on our next vlog. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless everyone. Bye!